Hello. All right, I have not done a video in a while, but man, am I feeling really passionate about the subject of the Weight Watchers KURBO app. Here's what I want to be very clear on. I don't have a problem with a child incidentally losing weight because their family is making healthy choices and the parents are leading by example and the parents are changing the way that the family is eating. I do have a huge issue with an app that is geared toward children where they are required to track their food and see a photo like the one I just posted on Facebook and Instagram of a before and after of an 11-year-old girl. Because the American Pediatrics Association has actually come out and said kids should not be on diets, that they have any commercial diet plan, none of that they should be on. I think they changed this in 2016 because they saw the connection between kids dieting and eating disorders. And I really want to make sure I'm being clear on this. We've got to protect our kids. There is money to be had in marketing towards parents who feel pressure to change their kids' bodies, and this is a need that the app is filling. But we have other options. As parents, we can bond together. I am doing a parent education night where I'm actually going to be exploring what is normal and what we can start to do as a family and leading as parents by example, controlling what we can control and making changes so we do not have to depend on an app like this. And every time I bring up something about Weight Watchers, it's funny, everyone always says, let's play devil's advocate for a second. I'm going to say, let's not play devil's advocate. Let's play our kids' advocate because they're the ones who, once they fall into this cycle, and please go back and listen to the bonus podcast I released on Friday where I share for 18 minutes what all I have learned from doing the Half Size Me show since 2012. I've been podcasting about this for almost 7-8 years now. Or no, I'm sorry, almost 8 years now. There's a lot to be learned from the wisdom and the stories of other people who have walked this walk, who started this journey for themselves at 9 to 13 years of age and spiraled up in weight. While I know right now your kid being 20, 30, even maybe 40 pounds overweight or whatever the number is might feel like a lot, keep in mind, if they create an unhealthy relationship with food, an unhealthy relationship with their body, and an eating disorder at this age, it will only go up from here. It will not be better. Go back, listen to the Half Size Me show if you need proof. Listen to all those people. The reason I'm passionate about this is because I did this behavior. A lot of you did this behavior. We can stop this. We don't have to keep this going, and we definitely don't have to gamify and put it in an app for a bunch of kids to be doing on their own and creating an even worse situation. We can stop this. Go work with your own kids. Do what you can change at home. Please be at Parent Education Night, September 10th, 2019 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I am going to record it and make it available on the Half Size Me show. Please spread this message. Let people know about this because the more that we bond together, we can save our kids from the same exact pain that we experienced. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.